Hello, this is 16412 Triad Robotics, and welcome to the Control Award. So our robot in Autonomous can achieve 3 high goals, 2 wobble goals, and park, giving us 71 points, a pretty good deficit from most teams. We use many sensors on the robot, including one sensor for each drive motor, a distance and color sensor, flywheel encoder to get greater consistency when shooting, TensorFlow and Vuforia to detect the ring with great consistency, and the Control Hub IMU for field-oriented driving. This is an early mock-up for Autonomous. This currently grabs 1 wobble goal, but within the weeks between this match and the current one, which we are participating in, we can now achieve 2 wobble goals and all 3 high goals. Moving on to teleop enhancements. Our teleop features 5 different enhancements that help the drivers immensely. First is field-oriented driving. Field-oriented driving is in which no matter what orientation, right is still right, left is still left, forward is still forward, back is still back. This creates greater consistency and allows the drivers to not think as much, allowing greater thinking in strategy and decision making. We include a rudimentary state system, which allows us to have minimal power usage during teleop and speed up our cycle times. We use an LED indicator system to tell us when we have all 3 rings in our indexer. This, again, allows the drivers to think less and think more in decision making and cycle times. We have an autonomous firing detection, which allows us in teleop to rev up the motor, and as soon as the motor is at the velocity that is needed, it will shoot. This creates very great consistency in the robot and allows us to get very high cycle times. At the last 30 seconds, we have a power shot, autonomous for endgame. All our people have to do is get those wobble goals over the drop zones. And after they get those wobble goals over the drop zones, they just have the position in the right spot and let the robot do the work. It shoots, strafes, shoot, strafe, shoot, and then the autonomous is done. This allows for less human error and greater point averages for endgame. As you will see here, this is them preparing for the last 30 seconds. And we also have our claw motor on an encoder. This just allows our co-driver, who basically their only job is to do the claw. And our co-driver, all they have to do, just press down on the D-pad, and then it'll grab it, and then press up on the D-pad, and then it'll come back up. And you'll see right here, they set up, get it, set up, get it. Now, thank you for watching the Control Award, and I appreciate your time.